Welcome back to another interesting video, and let's do typography. First, type fast and then select this Arial black bold and increase the size, and now copy it with Alter and write the letter paste. Now it's much more precise. Now change that and change that. Also, you can increase the size according to your voice. Now, what do I do? It's simply align the letter and horizontal align left. Now, align with proper and now again copy it with alter and write the letter. And now select with selection and align left. Now it's much more precise. Let's hit and then copy it with alter, again text tool and write energy. Now if you want, then you can increase and decrease the size. Now select it and with eyedropper tool you can choose. Now again copy it with alter and write graphics. Again align, it's a very high process, so I think it's very uh, less, so you can just, yeah, that one. Now again copy it with alter, increase, oh, decrease the size and write creative tiles, creative, change, uh, use the eyedropper tool and now we want something very close to that, and I think I just, now again copy it with alter and again text tool and write titles. Now it's much more precise, very elegant. Now if you want, then you can decrease the size and Done. Yeah. Again, copy it with alter, edit, copy, paste in front, rotate, and right effects. Create the size according to your 20 is enough. No, 21 is enough. Now that is the size I want. Create outline. Again, copy it with alter, right after. Yeah, much more elegant. Now it's very looks awesome. And now copy it with alter and write for. Now increase the size and okay. I think it's done and now it's much more realistic. It's done. Now create outline, all the letters. Kindly and it's very important to group it all so you can never worry and your designs are ready. And your designs are ready to showcase your talents. Okay, now this is our best. Control G. Now delete it and Control 0. Group it. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like my video.